Welcome to PixelPia Creative AI. In my last video, I introduced you to PicLumen, a free AI image generation tool. And today I am going over the 5 reasons why PicLumen is the perfect tool for beginners when it comes to creating AI images. But before we start looking at PicLumen, I might sound different today for those of you who have visited my channel. So let me explain. I am still battling a bad cold. My voice is almost wrecked, so today I had to be extra creative with AI. I am using a clone of my voice to create a voiceover for this video. It does not sound perfect, but acceptable. With that said, let's move over to PicLumen and the 5 reasons why I think it is perfect for beginners. Reason 1. PicLumen is totally free, no subscriptions, but you have to create an account. There is no limit to how many images you can create per day, but there is a limit to 0.5 hours of fast hours per day. When you have used those, you can continue to create images, but they will take a bit longer to render. Reason 2. The interface is very intuitive. Choose the model that best fits your needs or style. Pick your aspect ratio and how many images you want to create between 1 and 4 and hit the Generate button. I will talk more about the different models a bit later in today's video. Reason 3. Talking about prompts. This is probably one of the more difficult aspects of mastering AI image generation. But in PicLumen we have the prompt enhancer. You write a very simple prompt and hit the prompt enhancer. And within seconds you have an improved prompt from your original simple one. Not only does this function improve your prompts with more details, it is also an excellent learning tool for beginners, as you will learn how to write better prompts. In my next video, I will deep dive into the topic of writing effective prompts in PicLumen. Reason 4. PicLumen makes it easy to pick a style for your images thanks to the different models you have access to. The models are PicLumen Realistic V2, a universal model for creating super realistic photos, and a wide variety of image styles. PicLumen Art V1. This model prioritizes speed, aesthetics, and intricate details for quick inspiration. PicLumen Anime V2. Suitable for drawing anime characters and scenes, provides a 2D flat style. PicLumen Linear V1, designed to create stable black and white linear anime images. It can be used for quick drafts. Pony Diffusion V6, work great for anthro, feral, or humanoid species. FLUX1 Schnell, a well-rounded model that works well with 3D images and text. Reason 5. PicLumen also has some powerful editing tools that are both intuitive and easy to use, such as background removal, remix, upscale, inpaint, colorize, expand, upload images, The uploaded images can be used as a content reference, a style reference, or a character reference. There you have it. 5 reasons why I think PicLumen is a great tool for beginners in AI art. So dive in, experiment, and let your imagination run wild. And if you want to learn more about PicLumen or other creative art models in AI, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will now take a few weeks break from video creation for the holidays, and hopefully my voice will recover. I hope to see you back in 2025 for more inspiring videos about creative AI.